have got this thing in emotion, and we will play a short play on in this regard. The group members are from the left, Somanjit Ghosh, Anil Kumar Gupta, Brinda Singh, Prerna Niraj Madam, the Sachin Arora, and myself Vikramjit Chaudhary. Now we will start. Narration will be starting from Madam Prerna.
Emotional resilience is one's ability to adapt to stressful situations or crisis. More resilient people can adapt to adversity without lasting difficulties, but the less resilient have harder times with stress and lifestyle changes. The symptoms we did see yesterday, most of the symptoms of emotional duress are sadness, depression, fatigue, increase or loss in appetite, and quick temper. Every one of us is born with certain degree of emotional resilience, which how resilient one is emotionally is shaped by the biological and social factors. And but this can be learned, and so many psychological and social research studies have shown that this emotional resilience can be improved. Briefly, let's go into what emotionally resilient people are like. They can identify their feelings and the cause of those feelings. They have perseverance. They know that there is a difficulty and they have to get through it. Their internal focus is within themselves. They know that they can control themselves, and they know that they have a choice in life. They are optimistic, see the positive side of all things. They have support, ample support socially from family and friends. They have a perspective by which we mean that they can learn from their mistakes. They do not deny their mistakes to themselves. They have a sense of humor. They can laugh at the difficult situations in life and at their own mistakes as well. And they can handle troublesome emotions. They can manage all the strong feelings that arise inside them. There are certain ways to build up emotional resilience also, quite commonplace, just to go through them. Make connections socially and with friends and family. No crisis is unsurmountable. Have a realistic interpretation of the situations. Accept change. One has to admit that there are difficulties in life. Sometimes there will be difficult situations, but they have to be overcome. Move towards goal. Differentiate between realistic and unrealistic goals. Try and take things one step at a time. When you are making a decisive action, and whenever you are in doubt and you don't know what to do, try and do the next right thing instead of trying to reach out and finish the last thing in one go. And self-discovery. Try and discover something new about yourself every time you are in a difficult situation. Have a positive view of everything. Give yourself a break emotionally. Keep things in perspective. There are many bumps to go in life. This is just one such another bump. Have a hopeful outlook. Take care of yourself. One needs to rest at times, as they aptly said. So now we will present our play, wherein we have another office situation like that depicted. We have a JS being played by Mr. Vikramjit, a US who is quite stressed out being played by Mr. Soumyajit, his staff, Mr. Kulvinder and Mr. Anil, and support staff, Mr. Sachin.
सचिन, जल्दी सबको बुलाओ. इमीडिएटली सेक्रेटरी बुलाया है, एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट करने के लिए बुलाया है. सब डीएस को बुला लो इमीडिएटली.
डीएस को
तो यूएस को बुला लो.
हेलो, मिस्टर Soumyajit. Please. Yes, wants to come in the next chamber.
Okay, come just one minute. Good morning. Morning. सोमजीत, इमीडिएटली यह सिचुएशन है. हमारे यहाँ पे अभी इंटीमेशन नहीं मिला है, लेकिन जेएस अभी सेक्रेटरी हमें अभी बुला है. इमीडिएटली कल तक हमें एक पार्लियामेंट्री पैनल कमेटी का एक रिपोर्ट हमें पेश करना है पार्लियामेंट में. तो आज तक ये रिपोर्ट तैयार होना चाहिए. तो डीएस तो छुट्टी पे है, तो आप ही को जिम्मेदारी लेना पड़ेगा. सो हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट इट?
Sir, I'm new, just joined 2 months ago. The problem is that my work is not governed by the PCS hospital, so I have to take my Sir, how long time will be available?
Only today, by 4 p.m. we have to submit it for the approval of Secretary and Minister.
Sir, if I don't reach to school, my son won't be able to come back.
So let's decide, we have to finish the work also. So let's call your staff and you call the staff also. We will take a joint meeting in this regard how to go about.
Hello. Mr. Pulinger.
Hello.
Mr. Pulinger.
हाँ जी.
सर ऐसा कि आप जीएस के रूम में आ जाइए. सर बुला रहे हैं. पार्लियामेंट कमेटी की रिपोर्ट देनी है. उस बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कस करना है.
ठीक. हाँ.
नमस्ते नमस्ते. अच्छा, आप लोगों ने सब सुना ही होगा. इमीडिएटली वी हैव टू, बैठिए बैठिए बैठिए. हम लोग आप लोगों को अभी इसलिए बुलाया है कि इमीडिएटली वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर ए रिपोर्ट फॉर द पार्लियामेंट्री कमिटी. So we need it to be done by today by 4 p.m. But the Undersecretary has stated some problems. He is under severe stress. So how do we go about it? So what is the available resources at this point of time? Please tell me.
सर हमारे यहाँ 32 CPSC हैं, तो उनसे इंफॉर्मेशन मंगानी पड़ेगी सर बाहर से. इसमें थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है, वो थोड़ा टाइम अभी हमको लगेगा. तो आप अगर ऐसा करें कि आप CMD से बात कर लें सर.
ये सारे CPSC से बात करना है या
सर मेनली भेल है और 4-5 प्रॉफिट मेकिंग CPSC है सर.
तो तुम एक काम करो, ये जो भी CPSC का बात करना है उसका एक लिस्ट बना के हमारे PS को दे दो. हम डायरेक्टली उनके CMD से बात करके वो रिपोर्ट मंगा लेंगे. एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Sir, recently we have prepared the data for all the 16 CPSC for parliament question. Just to schedule one was there. So can we use that data for this?
We can use that data. If the data is not available till afternoon, we will take a decision on that. But we have to procure the latest data because we parliament में हमें immediately raw data तो पुराने वाले जो data हैं उनके साथ वो match करते हैं, so we will not do it. So now let's take a decision. Somajit is under stress. He is also new. You are also new. DS is not here, so we have to segregate the work. At this point of time, just make a draft of the report. सोमजीत को हम छोड़ देते हैं लंच तक. तब तक आप बना के इसको लेके आइए. ठीक है? ओके, वेल अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू.
Seat 2 after lunch.
सर ये हमने ड्राफ्ट प्रिपेयर किया है सर, एक बार देख लेते हैं.
ओके, सो इज यूएस हियर.
हाँ सर, अभी तक तो आए नहीं सर.
तो ठीक है, उनको प्रेशर मत दो, लेकिन एक बार बात कर लो कि सिचुएशन क्या है, क्या वो आधे घंटे में आ सकता है कि नहीं. आधे घंटे मुझे रिपोर्ट पढ़ने में भी लगेगा. लेट मी गो थ्रू इट एंड आधे घंटे बाद अब फिर दोबारा अगर यूएस आ जाए तो उनके साथ लेके आ जाए. ठीक है?
After half an hour.
मैं कम. Yes, come in. How is your family?
Sir,
Taking care. They prepared the given the yes. Please sit down. Now I have gone through it. Some minor corrections are there. I have made it in pencil. We will send it to the secretary for approval. And by evening we are expecting that minister will be approving. Then we will tomorrow we have to copy this thing and we will send it to the parliament. Let's hope for the best. So if any additional input is required, if you see any additional input in this regard, please or any receive you any additional input, please bring it to me at that point of time.
no problem, sir. I'm available to you.
Okay, thank you.
The situation for day 1 ends. Now we are moving into day 2. Good morning.
Please call all the staff.
Hello, Mr. Pulinger.
Yes.
You were in the office.
Yes.
So how is your mother-in-law?
This is fine right now.
That's well. So please, can you come to office of the room of the
Should I come alone or
no, please come to along with your staff.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Thank you. How is the family?
sir.
Okay. Please sit down. So congratulations, we have this thing has been approved. Already the administrators approved it. We'll be sending it to the parliament. Just make a copy of the stipulated copies, around 30-40 copies, what they are given, and just give me the feedback whether it has reached parliament or not. And yesterday we have achieved one of our hardest tasks we have, because all are new. GS is on leave. So congratulations to all.
It is only because your generosity and the hard work of these two people, sir, the situation has been managed. Otherwise, I would have been very difficult.
Okay, thank you for everybody for all your cooperation. हालांकि ये सब होने के बाद ये बोलना पड़ेगा कि इतना आसान तो होता नहीं है।